Hi guys! Good morning! Maulan na Monday dito sa JCM Car Aircon. Today, maglilinis po tayo ng Toyota Hi-Ace Commuter Deluxe. So, backless dashboard, front and rear, pull-down evaporator. Kung meron po kayong same unit at gusto ninyong ipalinis, ay mag-suspend po kayo ng kalahating araw. So for bookings and appointment, mag-message lamang po kayo sa aming page or pwede rin po kayong mag-call sa phone number 0995-9218644 or 0939-1468794. Dito lang po kami located sa Mercedes Home Subdivision, San Isidro Norte, Santo Tomas, Batangas. Landmark near Padre Pio Shrine and Walter Martanawan po kami. Itong customer po natin today ay refer ng kanyang pamangkin na nagpagawa rin dito sa atin. Unit ng kanyang pamangkin is Toyota Innova. So maraming salamat po sir sa inyong referral. We appreciate you so much po. So aside from affordable backless dashboard aircon cleaning, we also repair or replace parts and full charging of Freon. So, yun lamang po for today's video and maraming salamat for watching.